Hi there, it's Chris here again with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Rejackr review. Now, Rejackr is an exciting new software that has just come out that is going to enable you to, as the title says, jack traffic going to one site and put in front of them your affiliate offer. Today we're going to take a deep dive into see exactly how that works and what is involved, and as well as that I saw some really great bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with Rejackr, so you're getting the absolute most out of it. So before we get started, drop a like on this video, and if you want more updates, new products coming out that are going to help you make money online, hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. Also, if at any point you want to jump ahead in this video and check out Rejackr on your own, make sure you click the link in the description. That way you'll be sent through first to my bonus page, which looks like this, my contact details at the top. And basically the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the Rejackr official vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will essentially lock in these bonuses first before then sending you off to the Rejackr vendor sales page. And if you do decide to purchase, you will not only get Rejackr going this way, but you'll get all these bonuses sent to you together in one big bundle that you can access immediately. Just you're just 10xing the value for money that you're getting. Now really quickly, the first bonus that is going to be thrown in is called Internet Marketing for Beginners. So Rejackr is going to help you. Rejackr is a tool. It's going to help you to drive traffic and get money through affiliate offers. But it doesn't really tell you, the ins and outs of, how you can utilize what Rejackr is utilizing. Rejackr is utilizing a certain technique. This is going to go deeper into internet marketing as a whole, so you get a bigger understanding on the overarching way to get into internet marketing and to sell products, affiliate products, or your own products. The next bonus I've got for you is called Find Your Niche. Now, when you start an online business, it's very important that you find your niche. With Rejackr, you can really use any niche, but I would recommend that you go into a niche that you know something about. So for example, if you're really into dogs, then you're gonna better know what products dog people enjoy. If you're into fitness, you're gonna know what people are talking about in the fitness niche. You'll be able to choose the right affiliate products to put in front of these people that you're jacking before they're getting sent to whatever site you're jacking traffic to with Rejackr. So finding your niche helps you look for profitable niches, as well as how to select the right ones, and also how to avoid any ones that are just not going to be profitable. Bonus number 3 I've gotten for you is Affiliate Marketing Profit Kit. So because Rejackr is generally for affiliate marketing, it doesn't have to be, but that's why it's really been made. This is going to go to the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. So really, again, building on those last 2 bonuses, this is going to go deep on affiliate marketing, so you can maximize your know-how. You maximize your know-how, the more money you're going to make. It's as simple as that. Bonus number 4, this one I'm really excited to send to you. This is a new product called Facebook Groups Unleashed. And for my money, Facebook groups is something that I would definitely utilize with Rejackr, because you can find hundreds of groups on every specific niche topic, and you can go in there with Rejackr and say, oh, check out this article on this well-known viral site, yeah, and you're jacking anybody going through to that link with an offer. And if you've chosen your niche correctly and followed the advice and the bonuses before this one, you're going to choose a product that is really going to resonate with that audience, and you're going to make more sales. The 5th bonus I've gotten for you is full access to the vendor bonuses. Now you're going to have to pause your screen because there's just so many here. So yeah, affiliate pro list, mega bonus package, there's just everything from WordPress plugins to more training, to e-commerce, affiliate marketing training, to other programs, other platforms that are going to help you, to 3,500 Instagram, Facebook inspirational images, so a lot of content, a lot of programs, a lot of plugins, platforms, a lot of media that you can get your hands on there. I would say there's about 40 bonuses there. So if that all sounds good to you, step 1, click the link in the description. You'll be taken through to the bonus page. Lock in your bonuses by clicking on these green buttons. That will send you off to the Rejackr vendor sales page, which looks like this. And I would recommend going through this in your own time and just seeing, if it's right for you. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, and that will look like this. And under the green button will be Rejackr, and under the blue button will be all those bonuses I just talked about. Now I will say keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is a launch week offer, so any discounts and bonuses you're getting through my link, they are dependent on this countdown timer. If there's still time on it, you still have time to get in. If it's 0, you miss out. So basically the sooner you get in, the more you get for the best price. My email's here if you have any questions again. And without further ado, let's jump in to the Rejackr demos. You can see what it's all about.
So you can see here we've got a dog related article about training the dog or stimulating the dog's brain. So the way it works is we go to the software, we click on a new campaign. So let's say what we'd want to do ideally is once we find something that we want to basically promote or build a campaign around. So let's say this is about dogs. So the best place to go and find dog related training is ClickBank. So we would go and find an offer here about dog training. So we can see we've got this first one here. So all we do is we would make sure we grab our link. So let's have a quick look here. All right, let me just okay, so let's open this one up here. Click on generate hop links. Okay, so we've got our link here, and then go back to the actual software. So we'll just type in the name of the offer. So in this case it's brain training for dogs, and then we'll enter in the affiliate link over here. We can obviously have an exit pop-up if we want. We can also add in retargeting if we want. We can add in social buttons if we want. We'll just leave them all ticked off for now. We'll click on next. We'll click on the header text. So something like wait, we think this might interest you. We can change the header color to whatever we like. We change the header font size, and then you can add a background image and all that good stuff. Click on next, and then we can choose the skip button text, and I'll show you how this works. We could choose how long we want the bridge page to be displayed for. Click on the timer and then change the actual font color for the timer. Click on submit, and that is the actual campaign they created, which is brain training for dogs. So this is our ClickBank link, but then we create a Rejackr link, which is basically a link where we want people to be sent to after they actually click on the URL. So initially we want them to be sent to the ClickBank link, and then after they've seen that for about 20 or 30 seconds, we want to take them to this dog training related article. Okay, so we click on save and you then just click on view, and you can see it in progress here. So you can see at the top it says please wait for 18 seconds. Wait, we think this might interest you. It pulls a ClickBank offer here. Obviously people are clicking, they're interested in dog related articles, so some people might buy this product, some people won't. You can either have it so it automatically redirects, or you can have it so they have to skip a button. We've done it so it automatically redirects, and as you can see there, it's redirected to this particular dog training article. So that's how it works. So in a nutshell, you just saw the clickable link, you saw the actual bridge page, which was the ClickBank offer, and then you saw the content, which was the dog training related content. And then as well as that, it also comes with the ability to post this onto multiple social media sites. So you can select the Rejackr link. We can actually post this to social media. So when it's posted to social media, it will look like this. You can see it's actually, it will pull the information from the article that we selected, and then when they click on that, it will get taken to the bridge page, which is the ClickBank offer. It will hold the visitor's attention there for 20, 30 or 50 seconds, however long you like, and then you can either configure it so they can click on the skip button, or you can configure it so it automatically redirects to the dog training article. As well as that, we can automatically connect to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and this is a Facebook approved app, which basically means that it's very easy to integrate with Facebook. You don't need to create any type of apps on Facebook. You don't need to get any secret keys or anything complicated. All you need to do is click on add a new page or add a new account, and you can add the various accounts. You simply let's just show you how it's done. So we'll click on yes, delete. So I'll click on add a new page. Say Billy, or let's just say test, connect, and you can see it automatically redirects to Facebook. It asks Facebook, can we have the permission to connect to this account? And boom, you get connected. It's very, very simple. It's Facebook approved. Not a lot of apps in our industry are Facebook approved. So that's pretty much how it works. All
right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on Rejackr. I think it's a really powerful, nifty ninja tool that is going to definitely work, providing you choose the right niche and you can find products that are going to resonate people. That's why, again, I stress going after a niche you know something about. There are still hundreds of products out there in any niche for you to choose from. So really quickly, before we close out the video, on my bonus page, again in the link, you have the pricing options here. So the price is going to go up every 60 minutes after launch. So you can start off with $17.95, and it's basically everything you saw in that video and everything here. There'll be an upsell automation edition. This upgrade lets customers unlock the automation module so customers can experience autopilot traffic. Upsell number 2, unlimited edition. This upgrade teaches customers how to make as much as 6 figures a month with Rejackr, as well as unlock unlimited Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn accounts, and unlock unlimited posting. Rejackr done for you for $197. Their team just does everything for you, so that's a guaranteed moneymaker. They definitely know what they're doing. Upsell 4, Rejackr reseller edition, so you can resell onto customers and keep 100% of the profits. And then upsell number 5, luxury edition. It's experience your very individual custom funnel setup. They basically even set you up with hosting. They do basically everything for you from zero to hero. So I will say this before we close out. You do only need this front end $17.95 version to get access to all the bonuses. So don't think you need to upgrade. You don't need to upgrade. If you only need the front end, that's fine. If you want to upgrade, that's fine too. Again, you'll get all the bonuses just as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, email me. Social media is fine as well. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If you don't have any questions, enjoy Rejackr. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. I hope you love those bonuses as well, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.